Hey, what's up, Sir Lunchalot? Good day. Good day, sir. How are you doing? Are you feeling any better lately? Or is life still just got you down? Oh, I can just make a polygon 2D? What the heck? Work is still stressful, even with just 4 days a week. Yeah. Yep. Work does that, huh? Ah! The clankers are back. Kill them. Kill them. Oh boy. I have my Chrome audio turned on, and Kick was playing my audio. You have way more guests than expected, really. It is that time of year, huh? Is this your busiest time of year? The Christmas season? By far, yes. Okay. Wow. And you got more than expected this year. It's a good and a bad thing. So many tourists. Ah, stupid Kick. Turned my audio back on again. Okay. All right, we're changing this. It is now going to be a Polygon 2D. I did not know Polygon 2D was a thing. We have a beautiful weather conditions at the moment and bigger Christmas markets this year. That's one reason. And the euro is down. That's reason number 2. Yep. That'll do it. Why won't it let me draw this polygon? The collision shape 2D node has limited editing options for polygon-based shapes. Oh, a collision polygon node. Oh, interesting. There we go. Solids. So now, create points. There we go. Yeah, my job, we have a holiday rush as well, because most customers buy on the holidays here. And yeah, that sucks too, but I don't have to deal with the customers. I just code. So I can't even imagine. Okay, so now I've got this polygon. The data is packed vector 2 array. And I think that's the same thing over here. Packed vector 2 array. Okay. I do have nothing to do with guests per se, unless there's a problem regarding the food. That's good, I guess. Because that's so draining. If you have to like spend all day talking to customers, I really I can't do it. I think it's impressive when people can. Oh, I don't even need this. It's just gonna exist no matter what. So I just do polygon equals shape. Is that it? I might not even need a function for this, actually. We'll keep it around for now. Okay. I gotta do this again. Wrong one. Weird. Oh, I did that wrong. That's probably what was wrong. Okay. So, for broom in rooms, instantiate a fog. Let's see how well this works. So I've got this fog test. Top left room has a collision polygon. And then okay, I haven't put the fog anywhere though. Let's put that somewhere. Oh. Var fog equals this. BS. Where did that come from? I mean, I guess this room, this one will have a position, right? Position. But what if I make one over here? Let's get rid of this. And I draw this. Okay, so it still stays at 0, 0. That's good. We'll just pretend that they're all at 0, 0. Oh, here we go. The most problems we have are with our US guests, mostly because they don't like the way we make food over here. No ranch, no 2 pounds of cheese on everything. And they always cry about not enough salt, but they tip very good. Hey, there you go. That is so sad to hear. 2 pounds of cheese on everything. It's funny. I'll tell you what, when I went to Germany, I went earlier this year. I fell in love with the food all over again. It was incredible. Although I was trying to get like traditional dishes, so I was just getting like bratwursts, sauerkraut. I mean, the mustard there is to die for. We got Spätzle. We got, I mean, we were down in, southeast Germany, so we were getting things like schnitzels as well. What else? What else were the big ones that I wanted to... I mean, I obviously ate a ton of Döner. Love it. Schweinehaxe. What's that? I don't know what Schweinehaxe is. Or is it Schweinehaxe? Baked pig leg. I did not have that. Ooh, I did have... Because again, we were like Southeast Germany. I think this is more like a Romanian dish, maybe? Or no, it's Hungarian dish. We had goulash. And that was incredible. With like the giant bread ball in it. Oh, and I loved... What is it called? Shoot, I feel so bad. I forgot what it's called. It's like the potato salad. Goulash is a staple here. Okay, good. Good, because it's so good. It was incredible. Okay, let's try this. Well, it didn't work. Oh, wow. The screen has a bowed look to it all of a sudden. Wonder what that's all about. Yeah, what was that salad called? German salad or potato. Oh, it's Kartoffelsalat, I think is what it's called. Kartoffel Kartoffelsalat. That's what I had. Loved that to death. Got it every chance I could. Yeah, Kartoffelsalat. Sorry for my pronunciation on everything. I did not learn German. My mom learned German. She's pretty good at it. But not me. Okay, so oh, I didn't I didn't do any code to the fog. So room. So fog is that. So go to the room and we do func set fog. This is where I need to do it. Oh, actually, it would just be in the on ready, huh? Okay, I got it. So I get rid of this right here. I will put it up here and we'll just... Every part of Germany has their own way to make it. Bavaria uses vinegar and pickles, while in Effie, Hamburg, they use mayo and bacon. Oh, really? Wow, that is pretty different. Mayo and bacon. I liked the vinegar and pickles. I'm a sucker for that like vinegar salt flavor. Huge fan. Okay. Okay. The ranch dressing thing is a mega meme here. They always ask as soon as there's one piece of salad anywhere. Okay, fair enough. so this is one thing. And this is probably something that like makes me pretty un-American, but I absolutely hate salad. I think that salad is so lame. But that's because and it's always like, but ranch has to be on the table. In America, salad is just a bunch of lettuce and like maybe some croutons and then ranch, or like, you know, Caesar salad dressing, right? Thousand Island dressing. It's just something, right? And it's just so terrible. I like my whole opinion on salad changed when I went to Europe, because Europe does salad so well. You can have, like, I loved Greek salads so much. I loved Kartoffelsalat. I loved, what are some other good ones? I mean, like everywhere I went, it wasn't just lettuce, or sometimes there was no lettuce, which was perfect. Anyway, it's yeah, in America we do things like pasta salads and fruit salads and stuff like that, and I like those a lot more. Potato salad. But yeah, just straight salad, it sucks so bad. You just got to dump ranch on it. I feel like that's just maybe a mistake of American cuisine, American household cuisine. Okay, let's see how this is going. I don't need this anymore. because I just go in here and I say fog dot polygon equals oh, I need to get the shape. But yeah, that's super sad to hear that the Americans are always asking for ranch. It's funny because like as an American, I'm always hearing like from other Americans that like American tourists are the worst. But then like I go on trips and I like try not to be the worst and I feel like I have a good time, you know? Like I feel like it's totally fine. It was the same thing. So the big thing in America is you always hear that the French are so rude that you go to Paris and they're just going to hate you and like not want to talk to you and stuff like that. Oh crap. Am I still live? My computer just went down for a sec, but it came back. Whoops. Yeah, we just like always hear that like they're just going to be so rude to tourists. And when we were in Paris, we were with, so my wife and the person we were with were trying to teach us like little phrases. The French people hate everyone in Europe as well. Yeah. So my wife and her friend were trying to like speak French to them, right? We would try to like order all in French and everything like that. And we had a totally delightful experience. Like no one was rude to us. I mean, like no more rude than like, I don't know, going to New York City, right? Like it wasn't, I don't know. Like you hear all these horror stories of people being so rude to tourists, but I wonder if it's just because they're being rude to like, you know, tourists that don't care to learn the language or the culture or are rude. And we did see some of those when we were like on like a boat tour of the Seine. Is it the Seine? I think it's the Seine. And there were just a bunch of really rude Americans. And we were like, oh my gosh, this is like giving me secondhand embarrassment. And anyway, but like, yeah, we had a great experience and we weren't like, I don't think we were bugging people as much, but you know, I try. I wonder, do you know where the people are from that are coming to Germany and are asking for salad? I wonder if maybe there's like some states that are like specifically bad. Just trying to start some drama here. Do they have the southern drawl? Do they have an uppity California accent? I don't know. I'm sure there's no way you would know. Mostly people from Texas and New York. That makes sense. Those are highly populated places. Cali people are mostly laid back. Yeah, actually, I would expect the Californian people to be like caring a little bit more about the people they talk to. Okay, I need to get. I don't need to do it on ready, I don't think, because it's only at the start. But yeah, definitely hurts me to hear that the Americans are the worst tourists. Although I think it's also like Americans are the most tourists, if that makes sense. So it's probably like no matter what you do, if 90% of your tourists are Americans, I'm not saying that it is 90%, but like if 90% are Americans, you're going to have most of your bad stories are Americans. The nicest ones were an old couple from Alaska. Wow, that's cool. They had been so nice and polite, and they left 1,200 euro tip for the kitchen. Holy cow. Those are some high rolling Alaskans. I've never been to Alaska. That's cool though. Room child. So far. Yeah. Shape child. Oh wait, can I get the shape from the room, like from the area 2D itself? Let's find out. He was once stationed here in Berlin 50 years ago and came for a salute or something like that. Wow. All right. Very cool. 50 years ago. Yeah, that would have been 80. No, that would have been 75. Wow. Yeah, my grandpa was stationed in Munich for a bit. That's why we're so fond of the area. Get children. Dot filter. We have a lot of vets here for all kind of military gatherings. I mean, we still have 2 big bases here. Yeah. Yep. Yep, there was a lot when we were touring Munich. There was a lot of stories about how the US is I guess very keen on Germany. Yeah, it's Berlin after all. Yep. Yep, my mom was there. 89. Went to see the wall. They had like I think my mom has like a piece of the wall or something. So crazy. You were there. You were there during that time. That's so crazy. I wasn't there. I was 6 years later I was there, but yeah, my mom was there. That's so crazy. You were there when the wall fell. Wow. Okay. If collision shape and polygon 2D. That's my sign to go work a bit more. Darn. All right. Well, hey, thanks for showing up. I always love talking about food, about Germany. Good stuff. And yeah, good luck at work, man. Hang in there. Twitch is down. Twitch is down. Huh. What's wrong with that? I'll try to figure that out. Thanks for letting me know. See ya. I forgot. I gotta put in Night Owl's code. Let me grab this real quick. Time to go to work. Awesome. Oh, I can select a font and everything. Crazy. This is awesome. Whoa. The formatting on this is terrible though. Just, oh crap. No, like my IDE is formatting is what I mean to say. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's try it. So I just go to here, add my end of stream warning, and then I can point it to a file, local file. Yep, look at that. That's crazy. Sweet. Okay, but now how do I use it? Interact. Ah. Times New Roman is fine. Oh. Can't fully see it, unfortunately. Seems fine. All right, text color will be black. Oh no, I gotta make it white. Somehow I found white. No. White. Stream end message. Five-minute warning. Time will be 08. Today it'll be 40. 00. What's this? Oh, AM. Is that what it is? AM. There we go. Start. Okay. And then I just put it down like here, maybe. Let's get rid of some of my dead space on it. Okay, I think that'll work. I should maybe have tried it. I should maybe have tried it a little differently before that, but that's okay. All right, so I get the collision polygon shape. And we're just gonna believe that it is gonna be a collision polygon shape. Dot shape. What is it called? Collision polygon. Collision polygon 2D. Perfect. Polygon. Dot polygon. Boom. Will it work? Let's find out. Fog of war test. Let's run it. Please. No. All right, let's see what happened though. Okay, I've got the collision shape with the polygon. Well, that went well. Okay, so now to the logic. Let's fix these polygons a little bit. Where's my packed vector? Okay. So I want it to be all the way to the edge and halfway through this thing. Like that. So that was 0.1 and 0.2. 0.1, 183, 183. Got it. But now I have it at 313. Let's put it back 1, 312. Perfect. So that shape should be good to go. Okay, this shape. Bop. Do a little bit of that. A little bit of this. Okay, perfect. Then let's make 2 more rooms. Oh, room. So this will be the bottom left room. And this. Oh, you know what? Oh, no, that wouldn't work. Okay, so I just need to... Oh, it's fine. No, I need to move these down. Okay, perfect. Let's move this down real quick. Boop. Bottom right room. Get that collision polygon going. Down here, down here. Oh, this polygon shape is actually off by 1. There we go. Okay. So now when I load in, the whole screen should be covered. Yes. Okay. So that worked. Oh, this looks awesome. It's looking awesome. Okay. So now the logic. Do I just like need to set, like maybe I just, yeah, I'm just going to do that. So the room will have an export. Actually, I think I like exports being below onReady. Export var starting room bool equals false. And then if starting room, then fog.visible visible equals false. Oh, I didn't do anything. Okay, boom. Oh, It works perfectly. Okay. That's not quite a good line though. Let's change this line. What if I do, which point is that? This is 2. Let's try to get like a, so let's call it 166. And so then this one is just 166. And then now I know the value. 166. 166. Okay. Bottom left. Okay. Okay. So now Fog of War. This is awesome. Getting some texts. Let's look at the texts. Anything important? Nope. It's trash day. That's about it. All right. Last but not least, the logic of the player entering the room. Okay, so now we go to my room scene, node, signals. Is it body entered that I want? I think it's both of these. Body entered, body exited. I want both of those. And I don't know why I would need this signal anymore, because the rooms just handle themselves. So yeah, I don't know why I had this idea. We'll get to it later, but on body entered, if body, okay. How do I do it? I did it in some other places. I think I did it in the moving platform. Nope. Player? I just do is. Okay. I should look up the as though. I keep forgetting. Godot as keyword. Perfect. It returns null. Okay. That's all I needed to know. So I just do var player as, oh no. Yeah, player equals body as player. Okay. And then, no, because I don't need to do that. I just need to check if body is player. Then I dissipate. That's a cool word. If I can remember how to spell it, let's see. Dissipate. I think this is how I would spell it. And then yank. And then we'll put this, and what would be the opposite of dissipate? Let's hit the thesaurus, because I don't know. Thesaurus.com. Dissipate. Oh, I spelled it wrong. There's an I. Dissipate. I was close. I was close. All right. So then the antonyms would be accumulate, condensate, accumulate. Crap. Was it 2 M's? 1 M. Okay, I spelled it right. We're good. So then this one is accumulate. Oh. And how are we going to do this? We're going to do, I mean, I'll probably just I'll call it on the fog itself. So actually it'll be fog.dissipate and accumulate. Let's do that. And there'll be a tween. Should I save the tween? Nah, we'll just create a tween. Var tween equals create tween. Tween property. No, I think I do want to save the tween. Func ready, because I'm going to replace it. I'm going to go, oh, and then it's actually var, var fog tween is a tween. Tween dot, oh, wrong thing. Fog tween dot stop and then restart. That's the point that I was trying to get at. Fog tween property. Is it just my opacity that I'm tweening? Let's see. Fog. Okay, I got way too many things open. Let's get rid of that. Cursor manager. Okay, so the fog. Why is the color white? How's this even working if the color is white? What the heck? Okay, so yeah, I probably just changed the color, or I can change the visibility. Oh, it's the modulate that I changed. That's what it is. Okay. So yeah, let's just change the modulate alpha. What is that? Value. It is modulate A. Self property is modulate A. What have I done? And then the final value is 0. And the duration is, do we have constants? We sure do. Const fog. Time. I don't know. 0.25. That seems good. I actually bet it's smaller. 125. Constants dot fog time. And then we just do the same thing over here, but we set it to 1. Oh, that's not a thing. Okay. Come on. Save. everything. All right, so now let's go back to this thing. And let's see how it works. Doesn't work. Oh, did I connect it? I did connect it. Fog.dissipate. Fog accumulate. Oh, I have this set to visible. So let's actually do modulate.a equals 0.0. Right, because it's 0 to 1, yeah. So, I guess we start printing. Dissipate. Okay, dissipate called. Perfect. Dissipate was called. It didn't do anything. Accumulate. So why is the A not working? Property self. I mean, it worked on the initial one. Oh, there's my 5-minute warning. Or did that pop up? Did that pop up 5 minutes ago? I'll have to check the VOD. Let's look at the VOD. Yeah, that totally popped up 5 minutes ago and I didn't even see it. That's so funny. So I might need to change the way I use this. I mean, it totally worked, but I think I'm going to change it so that I actually have like a little web server running and so I can see it on my screen. Like it'll appear on the screen as well. That's fun. Okay, well, the 5-minute warning happened 5 minutes ago and I didn't even see it. So here we go. I'm going to try one last time. Tween property. Is there like a... There's not like a tween execute or something, right? Oh. Accumulate and dissipate were called at the same time. Why didn't it work? Am I calling it the wrong way? On body entered, dissipate. On body exited, accumulate. Let's just look at these, I guess. Fog. Okay, so it's not the modulate that I need to change then. It is the... Is it just called color? Yeah, it's just called color A. And then let's run that again. What? Fog. Color. A did not go down. So what is this called? It's just called color. A is 1. Oh, but I'm looking at the top left room. So A is 1. But now the modulate is 0. So if I do this, it's back. So I need... What am I doing wrong? So top right... Okay. The A is 1. And the modulate is 1. So that's not working for whatever reason. All right. One last test. Modulate A is not working on the fog. I mean, I'm not, okay. Fog, top, okay, bottom right. Modulate A. I walk in, and it's supposed to change the modulate to there. Am I crazy? Final value is 0. Does tweening the A not work? I swear I'm doing this in other places. Guess I'm not. I swear I can do this. Yeah, color.a, float. It's totally getting it. Maybe I created the tween wrong. Is it get tree dot create tween? Is that what I need? I hope it's not that. That would be really dumb. Okay, it's not that. So this fog has modulate. Yeah. What the heck? Is it that I need the tween? Here, let's try this. Var fog tween equals this. Pass. Oh. Well, that was something I didn't know, I guess. So here's the question. Can I, so we'll get rid of this. Can I do this? Like create a new tween? Let's do it like this. Can I do that? And then find 0, replace 1. Can't call stop on a null value if fog tween and fog tween dot is running. Is this a thing? I mean, does this even care? Let's just d/this enter. Okay. All right. Yeah, so the reason I'm stopping the tweens is so that like it doesn't like try to finish the tween and then hide it. That's pretty cool. That works pretty well. Hey, what's up, Columbigo? You've showed up right at the end. Right at the end. But, yeah, I think throwing the hat in there shouldn't do anything. Yeah, you still can't see in there. And then you go like that. Boom. Fog of War. And then I can go this way. Oh. I didn't line up the walls correctly there. Hey, I'm not blaming you for showing up late. I'm just telling you, like, don't expect much from me in the last few minutes. You can show up whenever you want. All right, yeah, Fog of War. I mean, that looks pretty good, right? I might make it a little bit faster actually. Let's change my fog time. Let's go 0.0875. No. What is it? 625. That's what it is. So half the time. And also, I think I want to, real quick, before I go, we're going to ease it. Set ease. And it's ease type? No. What's it called? Easing? Shoot. Tween.ease type. So tween.ease type dot ease in. Oh, maybe that's not what I wanted. I wanted set trans, right? Transition type. Tween.transition type dot. There we go. We're going to go quad. I like quad. And pop that on here. Let's see what that looks like. Reset. It barely matters. My time is too fast now. Try again. There we go. It's a subtle difference, but I like it. All right. That's it for today. See ya.